Why standing in the shadow and bow your head? Life is for living, it's not for the dead, my friend. This situation, them hunting for solution.